You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce the name of this city in France, particularly famous for its sad history during the First World War? In French in France it is said as Verdun. To learn more useful French words, including from history, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Verdun. Verdun is how we say it in France. In English, you can say it as Verdun, Verdun, Verdun or Verdun. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.